Barnes from Butology here in Bakersfield, and we're talking about an increasingly popular gift for men, and that is Botox, or bro-tox, as it's popularly known. Doctor, good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Well, I could talk to you literally all day about this because I'm highly curious. I have never had Botox or bro-tox, but I am intrigued as this crease between my eyebrows increases in prominence as I've gotten older and older. I'm 47 years old now. I'm just kidding. All right, so tell me about Botox. Why is this a popular trend among men?
I think a lot of men have just really, they see the increased exposure on TV and their girlfriends having it, and they're like, you know what, I have this line too, and I'd really like to get rid of it.
Right.
So somebody tries it, and they tell their friends. And
now tell our viewers, you're 76 years old.
Yes.
So you look wonderful.
Thank you.
You're also a client.
Yes.
No, I'm kidding.
Not only a doctor.
He's not. All right, how long does Botox last?
Botox typically lasts 3 to 4 months.
So you got to get that punched in there,
Yep.
3-4 times a year, and it can cost up to $500.
Depending on how many areas you do.
And what is it? Just a pretty normal procedure? You come in there, they inject you, and bada bing, bada boom, wrinkles are gone?
Yeah. Your first visit's a little bit longer. You learn about it, tell you about how it works,
Yep.
everything you need to know, and then after that, it's pretty maintenance.
And do you see a lot of this at Butology here? Do you see a lot of men coming in Bakersfield for these kind of procedures?
We see a fair number of men. It's increasing every year. Actually, year over year, double-digit increases. Botox is the most popular procedure for men.
We were talking off camera. Biggest factors when it comes to skin health, believe it or not, 90% of it is the sun.
Yes.
Diet is another big part of it, but also
Sure.
smoking. Smoking really causes wrinkles. We were talking about that quite a bit. Does
Yes.
Botox, is that painful to get that injected? You're not numbing the area, right?
Just like a little mosquito bite.
Okay, so not at all. Yeah. All right, well, I do want to talk about this. A lot of guys locally, believe it or not, are actually coming in for different male procedures, some
Yes.
involving liposuction,
Yep.
some involving get rid of the man boobs,
Yes,
as
indeed.
they're called. Tell me about that.
This is a common problem, especially among people who are, working out a lot, taking a lot of supplementation, and sometimes doing things that are
Can we get Amity on camera?
not normal.
1 or 2 right now. She is looking at the mirror in her phone, evaluating her own wrinkles as we speak. Amity, you look beautiful. Come on.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
I was going to take a picture of you gesturing.
I'm not gesturing. I'm just touching. Well, we were talking about man boobs. There's an even worse term for it, but I can't say it on TV. All right? I don't know if you want to say it, but you're not going to get fined by the FCC. But all right. So, Dr. Barnes, liposuction is a big one. Guys are going to the gym, right? I see these guys at the gym, and I go to the gym a lot. Nothing seems to happen. I manage to go to the gym 4 or 5 times a week without putting on any muscle whatsoever.
Right.
But these guys have these, like, the innards, the midsections of like small children here. I mean, they're like totally tight V and all that. So they're having it sucked out, aren't they?
They might be.
You can give us the dirt here, Doc. None of your patients are. It's all classified. Give me the dirt. I want to know.
Some people do. Liposuction is great for that. It's not a weight loss procedure. It's really there's a spot that is just not responding to the gym. You're eating right. You're working out. You're doing what you can, but there's just that.
Eating right.
Yeah, eating right.
Somewhat
American right.
Right, American
and,
right.
That spot just will not respond, and that's what liposuction is made for, just helping smooth out and contour that area.
Have you had to do any pec implants, that sort of thing?
I've done a few pec implants, yes.
Okay, so pec implants basically just when this area, no matter how many times you sit on the old bench press there, incline, decline, it's just not working for you. So
you decide you only want 2 days at the gym instead of 3.
All right, exactly. All right, well, he is Dr. Zach Barnes. You can find him at Butology locally here in the great city of Bakersfield. More than 300,000 men got Botox injections last year alone, so it's a popular trend. It is now 8:49. Stay with Eyewitness.